Hey, yo, what's up, guys? It's F.C.S. person here. So, as you can see, I got my driver's speakers here. So, here I got these are both C5 drivers. So, I think I kind of figured out how to wire them up, but I don't have a receiver, amplifier, and all that. But I did figure it out though. So, So here, so we're so I think so here is the Qualm C5 driver. I feel like I feel like these are the Qualm that you see nowadays. That you're probably seeing. These are these Qualms just bomb out a little bit. Yeah. So I believe that this black wire is actually a component wire, and I think the brown wire is actually 4 watts, and the red one is 2 watts. So and then these 2 wires right here, the orange is 1 watt, the yellow is 1.5 watt, and the green is 1.4 watts. So yeah. So I believe that these so the black one is a component wire. So yeah. So here we're at the Atlas signed the Lear driver. And yes, this is also a C5 driver. I actually use this for the P900. So yeah, so here, so we got these wires right here. This is kind of a little weird though, how the wires are back there. Okay, so the black is a component wire. And this is, I don't know, it's pretty weird. But this driver is a little strange though. I don't know. I'm not too sure. It's kind of confusing. So, so it's a 25 volts through 70 volts. Okay, so, oh wait. Oh, okay. So I believe these are 25. Wait, so hold on. Wait, okay, so the, oh wait, hold on. Okay, so I believe okay, so these wires are 25 volts. So and I believe this wires can probably go up to 70 volts. But yeah, so the brown goes to 5 watts. But the green definitely goes to 1 watt. The violet wire goes to 2 watts right here. Also the orange wire can go up to 4 watts. So and the 70 volt one, oh, it's 70, there's 7 volts. Okay, so yeah, this is, it's a little weird. Yeah, this is kind of a strange driver for the transform, but it's kind of a strange transformer. So yeah, I don't know about the brown wire, so I don't know about the, yeah, this could either go, yeah, so the orange and the brown are for 4 watts. The violet and the black wire are 2 watts. Except the black wire is pretty much a component wire. The green and yellow are 1 watt. The brown, wait, what? Hold on. Okay. So wait, the black and the white are, oh no, it's Oh, so the brown and the white one are 5 watts. So yeah, this is okay. This is, I don't know if, yeah, this is a really weird driver. So yeah. So I don't know about this driver though. So this driver looks a little different compared to this one right here. I think this one's more simple to wire though. So compared to this one's kind of confusing though. So yeah, this is a little weird. So yeah, I'm not sure if they did it correctly or not. So yeah, I don't know. So yeah, those are two of my drivers. So I just want to just give a shout out to Mr. Mercury Fix It. Definitely go check out his channel. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching.